Today we're talking about a spine mobility exercise that's going to increase your spinal flexion. We're going to be working PAILs and rails, so we're going to be trying to actually improve how much active mobility that we have throughout spinal flexion. So when we get started, we're going to get started in quadruped position. I want you to think about doing a cat-camel, and then you're going to bring your spine into as much flexion as you can. Now, when doing PAILs rails, we're typically going to be starting with a prolonged period of stretch. You can start with the designated count on here, and then the isometric contractions for PAILs and rails. PAILs are going to be for the tissues that are on stretch. So in this case, I'm going to be trying to engage the muscles of my back. So I'm going to be thinking about trying to slide my hands forward and sliding my knees back while trying to create a little bit of, not actually moving into extension, but trying to engage those back extensor muscles. We're going to hold this strong contraction here for 10 seconds. And then we're going to follow that up with the rails contraction, which is going to be engaging through the front tissue here. And now I'm going to think about trying to crunch even more, trying to get as much flexion out of my spine as possible. And I'm going to be dragging my hands towards my knees and my knees towards my hands to give a little bit more engagement to that tissue. We're going to hold that for a 10-second count as well.